Let's just move on. While the public focus has stayed on Allu Arjun and his arrest, ladies and gentlemen, after a woman died at the Stampede at the Sandhya Theatre, where Allu Arjun had reached for the premiere of Pushpa, NDTV Uma Sudhir, in fact, reports on her 9-year-old son, Sri Tej, who is in the hospital on ventilator, struggling for his life.
I'm outside KIMS Hospital in Hyderabad, where 9-year-old Sri Tej is battling for his life. He has been on ventilator for the last 12 days after having been caught in a stampede when he and his family went to watch the premiere show of Pushpa 2 at Sandhya Theatre here in Hyderabad. The family of 4, including Bhaskar, Revati and the 2 children, Sri Tej and his younger sister, had gone for a family outing when the mother was caught in the stampede and she died. Today, even as the 11th day rituals were underway, the father is hoping against hope that his son will come back home. The younger sister is waiting for both her mother and brother to return home so they can go back to school together once again. Doctors have said that he is stable, but they have not been able to wean him away from the ventilator. The focus in this entire case has been on the actor Allu Arjun, who's been arrested by the police, and both the film fraternity as well as non-Congress political parties have expressed solidarity for Allu Arjun. The non-Congress political parties have blamed the police and administration for not making adequate arrangements, and they have also faulted the manner in which Allu Arjun was arrested. The police, however, are asking this question: aren't celebrities to take any responsibility? Because they are pointing out that Allu Arjun and his team did not get any permission from the police for him to come there for the premiere show, which was already a very, very crowded affair given the kind of expectation and anticipation about Pushpa 2. The letter that was given by the Sandhya Cine 70mm management had informed the police that they had such a plan, and the stamp of the letter is only an acknowledgement of the receipt of the application and not a permission letter or a no objection certificate from the police. They are pointing out that no one came to meet them, no one came to ask what the arrangements are going to be, how many people would be present, how many had been given passes, and so on and so forth. Allu Arjun also took the front gate, the main entrance to the theatre, and he was outside for about 15 minutes, even as crowds were going crazy in a frenzy, seeing their hero in flesh and blood. What I must point out is that there was a security team, private security army as it is being called, of Allu Arjun, and as soon as the gate in fact was opened and his vehicle came inside, and there was lathi charge also that the police had to indulge in, the private security can also be seen pushing away the crowds in order to let his vehicle pass, and a top police officer told NDTV that pushing away had caused even more of a chaos and crowding, because of which the woman had fallen and so had her child, and subsequently it was at the time that Allu Arjun was entering the theatre that the police think that the woman actually died in the stampede. What we are being told is that the DCP of the area, an IPS officer, had at least 2 to 3 times asked the actor to leave, telling him about the incident, but the top police officer told NDTV that the actor had not left the venue and continued to watch the film till the end, and only afterwards had left the venue. All that added to the confusion outside, and the police is also feeling quite upset about the lawyer arguing in court that the police seemed to be taken in by the hero's arrival and had therefore neglected their duties of looking after the crowd management in that area. All this, once again, a wake-up call for not just the police and administration, but also for celebrities like film stars and also politicians to rethink whether fandom can be at the cost of lives.